Hello my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video here. And today I'm going to be doing something really quick, easy. Of course, all my recipes, they're all quick and easy. As we're trying to get through this COVID-19, corona virus out here. So I'm still working solo here. I don't have my crew with me, so I've been shooting videos alone. So I'm trying my best here to get some out and doing things on my own here because we can't have a crew here. We all in the quarantine thing. So social distancing, however they saying it. But anyway, today I'm gonna be doing a skillet lemon roasted. What do you call this? It's done in a skillet. It's lemon and onion roasted skillet chicken. Very easy, very simple. I got a small chicken here. This chicken is about a pound and a half. You can use a bigger one, but it's just me today, so I don't have food to share with the crew, so I'm gonna do a little small version of it. So first thing I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make a little marinade that I'm gonna brush on the chicken. Okay, right here I got I always use fresh herbs. Y'all know I love my fresh herb. This is just chopped thyme and rosemary. And the description's in the video of the recipe is in the description of the video. Okay, here I got like I say, chopped thyme and rosemary. Put a little salt and white pepper in here. It's gonna be my seasoning. It looks like a lot of salt, but it's not. And then I'm gonna put olive oil here. You can use vegetable oil if you want to, but I like to use olive oil just for this here, to brush on the chicken. Okay, I got that done. We're gonna kind of mix it up here. Mix it up in the bowl here. Move this on the side. Okay, next we're gonna do, we got our skillet here. Blackened skillet. Let's use a blackened skillet because it controls heat better. So I'm gonna use a blackened skillet. I'm gonna put the onions down on the bottom. Make sure you kind of have it even. So y'all can see what I'm doing here. Like I say, I'm working along here, so gotta make sure y'all know what I'm doing. Okay, onions here, and I'm gonna put my lemons. The lemons on here. These lemons are so good when it's finished. You can actually eat these lemons. It's so flavorful. And then I got sliced garlic. I don't use a lot of garlic, but this one I'm gonna use garlic because it works so well together. So see that? I got a bed of onions, lemon, and garlic. Okay, we're gonna put the chicken in here. Put it upside down first. So we're gonna brush out a lot of seasoning inside the cavity. Brush it really good there. See that? Brush it really, really good. Make sure it's good and herbs in there and the seasoning. Okay, we're gonna turn it over. Put it back in there. We're gonna brush the rest of it on the top. See how simple that is? So simple. More herbs on there. Make sure it's all brushed together there. There we go. And another thing, when I split this chicken, you can have your butcher do it if you want to. Make sure he split it from the back, because you want your breast side up. You don't want your breast side down. You don't want to split it from the breast. You want to split it from the backbone, and don't cut it all the way in two. And that's it. What we're going to do now, we're going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put a little old school chicken stock in there, which is going to make a natural sauce. And we're going to put it back in the oven another 15-20 minutes. See how simple that is? Skillet chicken, all done in one skillet. So we're going to put it in the oven now. And let it cook 30 minutes. And we'll be back when about the 30 minutes. Add my old school chicken stock to it. Put it back in the oven. And we'll have old school skillet lemon chicken. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna check it out here. Let's see what we got here. It's been 30 minutes in the oven. See that? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little chicken stock around the outside. And I'm gonna put it in the oven another 15-20 minutes. See how that skin is nice and crispy. Also, what I'm gonna do while I got it out here, little. Oh, that's flavor. Oh, that is flavor there. Alright. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven 15-20 more minutes. And it's going to be nice and tender and delicious. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here and the chicken should be ready now. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look how pretty that is. Yes, sir. Nice. So you got that nice liquid in there. Let me put the camera so you can see it. See that nice sauce? See that sauce there? See that nice sauce? That's what you want. And like I told you that, and it actually made its own nice thick sauce. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this rest a little, let the juices go back inside, and I'm gonna cut this up and we're gonna taste it. And to see how it is. So we'll be right back. Alright, y'all. We're gonna plate this up right here. Got a bowl here. Take the chicken that's lifted up out of here. Look at that. Put it in that bowl. Look at that. See this nice sauce here? Put a spoon out of here. See, I told you to make a nice sauce. All that lemon and garlic. Look at that. Go right on top of that. Look at that. That's all good stuff there. Got the lemon and garlic and onion. This is so good. So good. Look at that. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try a little of this. Let me get my light off here where y'all can kind of see what I'm doing. Adjust things as I go here. Okay. Let me get my knife and fork here. We're going to see what we got here. See how that falls? Ooh, yeah, it's just coming right apart there. Let me see here. A piece here on the plate. Y'all can see what I'm doing here. Let's see. Oh wow, this is so good, y'all. Lemony, taste the garlic there. The herbs, natural herbs on there. It's so good. Wow. Like I say, this sauce it makes, I'd say so good on the chicken. Definitely good. Oh wow, that's so good. Y'all need to try this recipe. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure, please comment, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.